Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix your PC needs to be repaired error code 0xc0000001 in Windows. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. BCD Edit, find Windows installation drive letter, in my case Windows install drive letter is C. Type /fix mbr. Type /fix boot, if any error type /bootsex /nt60 sys. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type list volume. Find and select system volume, in my case system volume is 2. Type assign letter equal to N. Type a tribe space, -h space, -r space, -s space, BCD. Type ren space, BCD space, BCD37.old. Type /bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colan /Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colan space, /f space, UEFI. Type sfc space, /scano. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, c colan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.